Hey, Pups, how's it going?
Great! I'm so excited to eat this healthy snack.
Yeah,
But you all have vegetables.
vegetables are delicious.
They are?
Ito yung masarap kainin, guys.
Come on, everyone.
Kamatis. Maraming benepisyo. Tumatbalsik yung laway ko. Kamatis. Sana kumain din kayo nito. Solid to, guys, solid.
See, it's not that bad, right? It's nothing wrong with being a little healthy.
Para may kahawig to, guys, no? Harap. Yun lang, may mancha. Makatas. Sarap, guys. Kumain kayo ng kamatis. Napakasarap. Maraming benepisyo sa katawan. Diba? Thank you, guys. Yun lang po.